Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Western Union app to GCash. So, let's get started. First, open the Western Union app or website. Then, select the amount you want to transfer and the relevant currency. Now, choose the desired destination and select the Receive option. Then, tap Send Money Now and select how you want the recipient to receive the funds. Then, choose Mobile Wallet and then select GCash. Decide how you would like to pay. Choose credit or debit card if applicable. Now, log into your Western Union account or register if you're a new user. Then tap Add a new receiver and fill in the receiver's details, including their GCash information. Continue to the next step and enter your payment details. Carefully review all the details you have entered. Finally, confirm and proceed to make the payment. The recipient will receive the funds directly in their GCash wallet. And that's it for this video.